Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Share it alive. Let's get it rolling. It's almost time. We got like 10 minutes. Hope you all had a good 3-day weekend. Good morning, Hummer. Welcome, welcome. Just sharing this live. I am ready. Ready to roll here. Any questions? Welcome in. Oh, so how's everyone's weekend? Tell me about it. Good morning, Artistic Vision. Good morning, Liv, Paul, Canary, Christian, Paula. Good morning, MJ, Alex, Max, Thomas. Welcome in, everyone. Medman, of course. Did anybody catch that bounce yesterday that we was talking about before we got off the live? Hit. Good morning, Josh. I want to work. I want a 1 hour work day today. That's all I want. Just give us a good trade. Let us go focus on our other incomes. That's what I'm looking for today. A bit of a headache this morning, but we're just gonna go with it. Good morning, Danny. Good morning.
Gonna pay this round.
What's up?
I'll tell you one thing right now, though. That ain't gonna be me.
It's a short week, everyone. We really gotta lock in this week. There's a short weeks don't allow for many mistakes, so
We gotta get some stake money.
that's right.
I was just talking about the New York Knicks ticket prices. It's insane.
What are they?
So for this last round, for the West or the Eastern Conference Finals, for the worst possible tickets at Madison Square Garden, it was like $7.50 a pop in the nosebleeds, like absolute worst.
That's crazy.
I know it's like this. The finals, I bet it's gonna be like over 1,000 each for nosebleeds for sure.
I'd hate to see the court side. Welcome in, everyone. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Good morning, Basil.
Let's go look at how
Share the live, everyone. Let's get it rolling.
the World Cup starts soon too. Let's go look at these World Cup tickets. World Cup is expensive too. Oh my gosh. Rack a pop. The lowest price for this US versus Paraguay is a rack a pop. That is insane.
Ticket prices are just crazy high. I was talking to you about trying to get season tickets for the boss for 7 games, and it's just you can't unless you just donate like hundreds of thousands to UT. Good morning, everyone just joining. Team Boy needs to wake up, Jadon.
What's up?
That's talking. Team Boy needs to wake up.
No, everyone needs to wake up. Wake your butt up, baby. Come on. Come on. We got 5 more minutes till open.
Good morning, Ashley. David, good morning.
Good.
Adrian.
Good call on mentioning the news. I gotta get our news posted in Team Bull.
What news do we have today, Jadon?
That's a great question. I'll know in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have consumer confidence at 10 a.m.
All right. I'll take it. No Fed speakers, right?
Not in the day. Nope.
Market respected technicals yesterday on a short day with the stock market close on futures. So let's hope it does the same today.
It was respecting technicals yesterday.
Yeah, I mean everything that I was watching hit, even the bounce area. 10:45. I was watching that zone. Grizzly confirmed it. Had a nice move up.
My boy, cooking.
Good morning, Gator, CJG, jalapeno. Speaking of jalapenos, I made some on the grill yesterday. It's hot.
Yeah.
I like spicy, though.
Puppies were hot. I keep getting my days mixed up. I keep thinking it's Monday. Went 3 for 3. Nice. Just dope. It's gonna be a damn good day. It's a good day for a freaking good day.
All right. How we doing, everyone? Talking to Jay down there, catching up. Welcome in, Red Alexander, everyone. Debbie. See, who else we got? I missed a question about Grizzology on TikTok side. It's just it's my own indicator. If you want Grizzology, I still have the 7-day free trial open, so I'm turning it off when the live's over, or at some point today. I opened it up for yesterday. Go to grizzlytrades.com. That's where you find it. Morning, Stacy. Alexander said, I just bought 2 Tradeify 50K using code Grizzly. Let's get winning. Appreciate that, Alexander. If you all want to join him, just make sure to use code Grizzly. I purchased indicators. So, Jesse, if you purchased the indicator this morning, you should claim it on WAP app. It works best from desktop to claim it for some reason. It works on mobile, but desktop seems to be the best route for some reason. I'm not sure. But just refresh, and you should find it in your invite only after that on TradingView. Good morning. What are my favorite prop firms for beginners? Jessica, everyone, we have that question a lot in here, and everyone tends to go with either Take Profit, which they have a sale right now. If you want to try them, just go to grizzlytrades.com. You can find the link there, or Tradeify. I would probably try Take Profit first. Get you one account, the 50K. If you don't understand them, though, just download my free ebook there on prop firms. Same place, my website. It should be there, Jesse. You can DM me on Discord, or not Discord, on WAP or Instagram, we can get it fixed. Shouldn't be too hard. And if you can't wait, just go to wap.com and use their customer service. They'll help you. I have not, Tom. Manifesting a massive day, massive week for us, everyone. I'm really gonna lock in and do my best for you all. I need some help though, so make sure when we're waiting on a trade, we're all discussing it on time, so there's no confusion. We can all be on the same page.
Solid winner.
Share live.
Get out of here early.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's get it, Grizzly Glock. Butter churner.
Say you want to churn some butter.
So, Gene, you guys want to talk about
Good morning, Nia.
Always trading.
Genius?
Oh my gosh. Like literally I'll be like yesterday. It's dinner time. Got some nice steaks and stuff. You know, dinner's getting put out, hanging out. I look over. It's like 8 p.m. Bro just locked in on his phone on the charts at all times. Or I'll hear, yes. I'm like, what? He's like, just got a payout. Or just secured it's locked in a payout.
Gee, and he's going to end up being the better trader out of all of us. He keeps on.
Bro just is always locked in. No missed opportunities in Gene World. Ain't that right, Gene? He's like, why would I be looking at my phone or Instagram when gold is having a massive downtrend? Plus stays locked in.
Oh, yawn again. Good morning. Well, I'm going to ask this again now that we have more people here. Did anyone take that bounce area we was watching during the live yesterday? We caught a winning trade, by the way. But did anyone catch the bounce that we was talking about, waiting for? If you have any questions, drop them in chat. TikTok, can we run up the lights? That'd be cool. Appreciate the follow. Make a bag today, everyone. If you have any questions, please just drop them in chat. Give me something to talk about. You realize I'm just sitting here talking to text, by myself, so not easy. Haven't seen Emma around this morning. Must have had too much Memorial Day food, huh? Sleeping in. Morning, Ryan. Morning, Shazo. How was your Memorial Day, man? Ashley, Cole, welcome in. I was wondering where he was, Jackson. I hadn't seen you. Good morning, Miss Hill. There's Emma. Well, have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Hello, Nicole. Can I? Derek says, can you talk about how Grizzology identifies supply and demand? Um, it's just hourly zones, all it is. But the confirmation's what important. It goes with delta and volume. Has to have a certain amount. That's how I have it. And the candle actually has to. One second. Oh, selling off. Get this Asia low bounce. Let me talk to Team Bull in case we get a trade. 5 minute.
You're damn right.
I'm gonna watch this Asia low, Team Bull. We get down there. As long as we don't have a crazy volume push down to it.
Bro's gonna make me start adding Asia low to my chart. Around like 770.
What do you mean, CVP? I mean, it follows all the rules and regulations, if that's what you mean. This is Grizzology on the charts. Remember, last day for the 7-day free trial for Grizzology, everyone, if you want to try it. I opened it up for Memorial Day. Jaden, are you talking? I'm not hearing anything.
Check, 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 check.
I can hear you now.
Check, 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 check. No trades for me.
Yeah, this Asia low, the only area I'm watching for a bounce. Other than that, I'm just gonna watch this range. Good morning, me. The line is VWAP, yes.
What time frame are you on? The 5-minute time frame. Almost always.
Well, 10. We have consumer sentiment. What Jaden said at 10.
Far back do you market the pre-market highs and lows? As of recently, 4 a.m. Excuse me, but you can go back to 2 a.m. Eastern time as well. But this is on the chart here. It's 4 a.m. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Kind of is up to your discretion. I found that 4 a.m.'s been working really nice.
Any questions, everyone? Plenty of time. Just before, in case something confirms, I just want to know everyone can hear me well, see the charts. Just give me a yes. Awesome.
It's a 770 area for a bounce. I really do. And the reason for that isn't just these key levels down here.
All right, NQ. What are you going to do today? You going to give us a nice entry? Are we going to chop? It's only 9 minutes in. It feels like I've feels a little bit longer than that for some reason. Come on, range. Yeah, for real, sure would. Is Jersey on here today? I haven't seen Jersey around. I was going to thank him for sending me the information I asked for. That previous candle had negative delta, Danny? Is that what you was referring to? Interesting. We caught a winning trade yesterday on a short day, so has anybody been buying any adding any crypto? I was looking at what's that one crypto? Let me look here. Let me see. I think it was ETH. Yeah, ETH. Let's see, what is that at? I'd say ETH is probably one of the most discounted ones right now. Would you all agree? They're anchored different, Jesse. Good morning, Fabiola. TFS. And it's been raining here for over 7 days. It's supposed to rain all week too, for a couple of dry days. But Paul, I'd love to come to Europe. I just wouldn't love the traveling to get there and all that good stuff. Is that what you've been buying, Naya? XRP is sold off, huh? Rad. What a candle. Low volume push, huh?
Not today. Market was not about to let us have a easy day. So no way.
Not a lot of volume on this candle yet for the move.
Got an anomaly. It stays here.
Appreciate that, Jagged. I'll have to look at it. You can share it live. Yeah. Hopefully, we'll catch a trade here soon. It's almost time. So
Base ripper up.
lock in. Don't be switching live. Let's
If we had a
catch
solid
a
candle
trade.
and higher volume here, I'd almost be inclined to look for a slight pullback. For a slight pullback down to that 50% retracement of the range. It also coincides with VWAP there at around 885. So potentially a long entry here. Not going to say for sure, but
Shawza, that's
potentially.
crazy. You just got your first rain of the year on Saturday.
All right, let's see what we get here in terms of a pullback with the longs. Brandon is in his live. Probably being patient.
I don't think that's what you're gonna say.
Gearing up for a for a trade.
I heard a G at first.
No, must be hearing things. Or it's the universe trying to just speak its truth.
Selective hearing.
Love that guy. We were all chilling this weekend, G and Brandon and I.
This Grizzology trying to confirm the orb breakout, but let's turn to the retest. Well, yeah, I'm going to the retest. I want to see see if retest confirms. I'm not sure if my mouse is giving out because it's making me click things multiple times this morning.
Just a rocket ship, no retracement whatsoever. I'm not sure what's going to happen if we break 30,000 before. I would have loved to have seen.
What's Bookmap showing up here, everyone? Oh yeah, it wants to trend above pre-market. Yeah, I would be down to enter off based off this candle here if we pull back to VWAP. You know, around that fair value gap midline, it looks decent for a long entry. I just hope we don't pick up enough get enough aggressive selling up here at this 30,000, and if rip straight down through it, which is possible. This is a big number, the 30K. Fair value gap, Miss Hill. I just seen that you asked. So funny. I used to have a teacher named Miss Hill. She was so good to me. Better than I deserved, as mean as I was as a kid. Let's see what happens. Good morning, Nick. This is a pullback. I love seeing nice, strong moves up like this, but I don't like it when it doesn't give us an entry. The orb's in play, everyone. Talk to Team Bull here. Get ready for some longs if we're going to try it.
Our orb is valid.
Oh, that's exactly why I'm muted to say.
Yep. And so is our 2-bar. 950. Technically take a higher and low up at like 950. It's a little earlier entry, but
Selling it right back off, huh? Let's see here.
I'm gonna try a small piece of the longs, guys. I'm gonna try the orb down here at 936. Guys, I'm trying the longs.
That was Jay done. I'm looking for that previous.
It's a higher risk trade because we haven't gotten the retrace yet, but I did try the
Actually,
longs.
hold on.
Market's strong.
I'm trying to let me lock in here and concentrate. I'm going to start a piece here as well, everyone, on the NQ longs. Well, that was quick, but oh, I got filled in the 30s. This whole area is good. If I'm not full sized. I actually took a quarter of my normal position because I'm leaving room to add, and I typically trade lighter on short weeks. So you may still get the entry, and a better entry would be closer to this previous day 900 area. Yeah, you can get in 40s. I'm in. I'd like to get high day for a trim. Well, no, we can trim in the 60s. Let's see, 34. Closer to 70, though, would make sense. Let's just see what happens here. There we go. Well, there's some news, aren't they? Yeah, that's right, Ken. There's some news, the way the candle's moving. Some kind of algo's doing something here. My stop's going to be below VWAP. Oh. Or right at below 900, either or. We did have some news drop about Iran, so I haven't added to my position. I guess I'm going to keep my stop below VWAP, everyone. 30, my average is in lower 30s. Still, I haven't added. This candle here could just have the high volume. Thanks, Sosa. Well, I mean, if you didn't, you had a chance to get in there, see what happens. I don't see why we wouldn't touch 30,000, right? It doesn't make sense. It should be like a magnet at this point. At least touch it, then sell off, right? That's what you would believe. Like it's what that whole site, people were just, waiting on it. A lot of thought going into it, right? We're getting to the 60s again. I'm closer to 70. I'm trimming. Rip up. Quit rejecting previous day point of control. I feel like we're going to be happy. We'll see. Man, we're nice in profits now. You all can trim where you like. I'm just being a little selfish here. A little greedy. Trying to wait on the proper R to R, We got data in 4 minutes. Dang. That is not ideal, but I'm just going to take a trim. I'm taking a trim in case this data stops us, everyone. I hate this. I'm filled on my trim. I'm going to move my stop to entry, okay? Well, there we go. It's waiting on me to trim, wasn't it? Anybody make any money off this? Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. I'm trying to hold out for that 30K, but I want to trim. I'm trimming again 80. I'm sorry, I had to. I've got a very small piece. I'm trading on my personal, by the way. I'm going to trade on the funded tomorrow. I need to make a nice fat bag on my personal, so that's my main focus. And we caught a trade yesterday, Daniel. Winning trade. This is our second winning trade of the week. And if you took the trade that we was watching for after I got off the live, it hit as well. So how much am I up? $1 million. It's a lot of doll hairs, huh? Uh, Give us that 30,000. If we get 30,000 today, 30K, I'm instantly giving away 3 evals for Tradeify. Instantly gonna give them away. Come on, push up. Getting nasty, everyone. It's getting nasty. The previous day low was the area to add, wasn't it? It's one of them times I wish I just went full size on a short week. Gonna have some stake money today, even with light size. NQ. I mean, it doesn't take many NQ to really make your day. If we keep getting this good market, I say this, the time I start to increase my position size is probably the time we'll go back to the tough market. But I'm gonna eventually try, if we keep the same market we've had the last 2 weeks, try to capitalize a little more. You passed a eval off that trade, nice. That's right, Wind. What's the benefits of prop firms? I mean, just not risking your own capital is a big one. You can literally right now. Today's the last day of the take profit sale, everyone. Um, if you haven't already, I would check out the 50K accounts. There's no activation fee, so for $85, if you can pass the eval, you can get funded on a 50. Oh my goodness, what was that? I'm out, everyone. I had my order set. I didn't have time to move it. What? All right, who wants a Tradify eval? I'm giving away 3 right now. I'm gonna start with YouTube. I can't even say your name. How am I supposed to give you one? Jeez, I can't keep up. All right. the chat's going so fast, I really can't read it. Madman, help me out. Jed Bentley. Jed Bentley on YouTube. You can have one. Captain Random Lance. You can have one. You have to DM me on IG to receive these. GrizzlyTrades.com. You should already be following me there. And Benjamin Reed 3705. You can have one. And that's all 3 of them. I'm sorry, I just picked I go through the chat and just pick a random person. So unless it's someone I gave multiple accounts to, I try to spread them out. Not that I won't give you another account. I try to at least skip one time, you know. That's it for right now. Let me see if I can get us some Apex accounts while we're on here. I'll give some of them away as well. That was wild. I couldn't keep up with the chats. What a trade. And that was one nasty trade.
That was great. You
Jesus.
take it too?
Yeah, I took it, but we took it at the same time, so I just let you do your
Nice.
thing. Yeah, it's nasty, man. I played it all the way up to 30,000.
Let's go.
I got
We
in
need
low
all of
30s.
y'all to post your gains in the push your gains section too. Tag Grizzly, tag myself. You guys know what happens. We'll be picking some giveaway winners today too. I'm not sure which firm, but if you guys want to win a prop firm funded account from
Every time I get a mute advertising, that's why. What is it? I appreciate that. That's fun, everyone. Had fun. Let's see if we can catch another trade. I am definitely down to catch another one. This markets like this is where we make some money, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tough it out a little longer here. I want to see one more thing. I would even try a short if we got a strong, if we had a volume candle come out and just erase all these. I'd look for a short. Basil, you a Knicks fan? I don't. I mean, I don't watch too much NBA. I probably should get into a little more. I mean, yeah, 30-point stop. Did it hit it? We got in lower 30s. Where'd that go to? Oh, you must have got it in the 50s, huh? Sorry to hear that, David. anytime uh, we have VWAP and the fair value midline fair value gap and the whole psych number, it really doesn't make any sense to stop out before that because you can very well pull back to these key levels before continuing on. Um, Thanks, Slip. Thanks, me. I just haven't got into it in years, Thomas. I don't know. Honestly, I haven't watched much. I mean, I watch it occasionally, but I haven't watched much NBA since Shaq and Kobe played together. Honestly, I'm looking for another trade. Everyone, stay locked in here with me today. I think we could very easily catch another trade. The wick got you. I hate that. It's the worst, isn't it, David? You get wicked out, then it just rips the way you want it to go. What evil? What? What? What evil do I use? Are you talking about eval? I'm just messing with you. I know you're saying eval. Right now, everyone, I'm telling you all, if you're wanting to get an eval today, you want to trade funded accounts, go with Take Profit. Go to my website. Use my link, please. Take Profit. Use code Grizzly. They have 50K account for $85. There's no activation fee. You can literally reach a payout with $85 if you can just lock in. No, it's a lot easier said than done, no doubt. Trust me, I've blown a ton of evals. I'm not, not saying I'm the best at it. I'm just saying. Mark, you just used Code Grizzly for a take profit. Appreciate that. I'd still be open to one more trade today if we could get some confirmation, but
Rather miss a positive trade than take a negative one. Backs, as long as you're following your plan.
I just wish I went full size. Only thing I wish. It's just crazy to. I mean, it was cool to see NQ hit 30K, but it's just crazy to see it there. You think we'll be trading when it's at 100K?
That is insane to think about.
We'd have to have a 400-point stop loss at that point.
Insane.
500 point, maybe. I don't know. Man, what a good
We're
trade.
we're trading like the New York Knicks today, baby. Out here winning.
Oh,
Trading like the damn New York Knicks out here. I got dibs on being Jalen Brunson though.
you been playing any ball?
I'll go shoot around when I go to the gym. I haven't really played a lot of rec lately.
I'd like to play. I just don't. No one seems to want to play anymore. Everyone getting older, I guess.
I'll come play ball with you.
I'll play with you. Oh,
They call me JDD for a reason. Jacob dunks and defense. Blocking.
you're not dunking on me. You might get some shots. You jump. I'm gonna hold on to your shorts. Play
Yeah.
dirty. I used to play with some old guys when I was younger. They would play dirty, man. They'd elbow you, pinch you. Mean. We was playing on basketball goal beside the road, so
Yup. Oh.
we have here.
They keep pushing. Let's go, John G.
What? Pinch? Pinching? Is that? I guess that's the redneck version. Was you making fun of me, Thomas? Still looking for a trade. Benjamin, you getting married? Just message me if I picked you for a giveaway. You have to message me on IG. Ryan says, can I please explain how I trim? So let's say just keep it simple. If I'm doing MQ and let's just say I have 10, right? Typically when I trim first time, I would trim 5, then on the next one either 2 or 3. I just kind of do halves of whatever my position size is. That's how I trim out. Um, if you don't understand it with Tradevate, just do some YouTube search like how to use ATM with Tradevate, how to day trade. You'll have all kinds of videos come up walking you through it. It's very beginner friendly, very easy to trim with Tradevate. Yeah, King, you done? Taking your money and running, man? Congrats, by the way, Benjamin. I was going to tell you that as well. Kind of looks like we might be flagging, huh? That's why I want to see if we're gonna do where we create the lower time frame supply here and sell off. That's why I got it. Let me chart it out here as well so TikTok can see it, not just YouTube. Nice, you made 2,100 off that. Solid, man. Solid. I feel like if we break above this, we could easily just see a nice classic uptrend here on the 5 minute today. The only thing is we do have lowering volume here. So yeah, that was a 30-minute work day, everyone. You made some money with me today. Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. I'll repost you if you would like. If not, just tag me so I can check it out. Thanks, Honda. Had a nice pull day this morning at the gym. What did you all hit? Or what are you going to hit today for those working out? Yes, I'm drinking some coffee. It's about gone, actually. One has. You're swimming? Nice. Push day, chest day, leg. Don't mention legs. I'm playing. I gotta hit legs tomorrow. I need to be hitting them more than I do. I hit everything at least twice a week, but legs sometimes don't get it twice a week. Sometimes I walk into the gym to do leg days. It's like end up on the bench somehow. Hummer, you got Grizzology? Nice. Hopefully, you like it. Make sure you set up the levels that you use. Make sure your chart settings are good. I would like to get my better at pull ups. I mean, I can do some, but I want to be able to rip them. I don't. I got a strong back. I don't know what to do with. I can hit some push ups though. But how often do I run? I do like 30 minutes at least 5 days a week, Dexter. I don't really run. I do like the elliptical. I do hikes. Um, and just the incline treadmill. My knees hurt when I run too much. I guess where I keep them sore from leg day. It's hard to beat the elliptical for a cardio. I mean, I don't even think that's open for debate. You can get your heart rate exactly where you want it, grind it out. You done, Red? Two winning trades? Nice. I love David Goggins' books. I've read them both probably 3 or 4 times. Gets me pumped, you know? I just want to see how it respects it here. I could identify it there. So now I want to see how it respects it when it retests. See how it kind of retests that zone? Just learning. I mean, just for education. You know, I've been really monitoring these lower time frame zones the past little bit. Oh, what a trade. I'm so happy we caught that trade today. Two, we've had two trades this week, both winners. Perfect week last week. We could have another perfect week. See, now if this candle here had more volume, we could have tried another long entry, but look at the volume here. It just wasn't it. See what I was talking about there, Corey? I mean, I don't see no reason. Even though everything's going good, I don't think we should still go full size this week. I think we should just keep it a lighter week, get through this short week. Um, you know, even with lighter trades, we catch moves like this, we can still make a bag. I don't really. I'm just look at the bars, Brett. Um, I'll glance at the numbers, but I feel like if you look at the volume bars and just look at delta, that's about all you need as far as the confirmation goes. Last day for the Grizzology 7-day free trial for Memorial Day. So if you want the indicator, go to grizzlytrades.com and get it for free. If you don't like it, just be sure you're out before the 7 days are up. Yeah, Nate, we caught a trade already. Nice trade. You watching anything else, Jada?
Watching my P&L go up, and I'm going to be watching the menu for which steak I want to order tonight.
Well, I already know what you're gonna order.
What? What kind?
Sirloins. You're gonna get that 3-piece steak.
the I
I can't think of the name of that plate.
Rips?
I've had it myself.
Filet flight?
Yeah, I had it there when I was there last time. It's good.
Filet flight?
Found a new sushi place close to me. I gotta try out.
That was awesome.
Nice, David.
Absolute
Appreciate you using code Grizzly for
duper.
Apex. I'm gonna give it a try, Liv. Next time I get the chance, I'll let you know how it goes. Honda, just nothing really. Just continued aggressive buying there.
History made.
Oh, let's talk about the SpaceX IPO. When is the IPO, Bill? And is it going to be private? I mean, like, I know it's not going to be like that. I mean, like, is it going to be
That was cool.
unlimited shares available? How's it going to work? Do you have the details? How do we get it? Because I would love to buy some of that. No way it just doesn't. I mean, it could be a sell the news type thing, but surely it's not just going to sell off. Is it? Where can I buy it at? I don't see it.
Absolute Newtown, guys. Super clean.
I should at least drop 10K or something in it, see what it does. Where's it at? I don't see it for IPO. You dropping 70K on SpaceX? I think I may do like 10, but we'll see. I want one more trade. One more. Beck, you're on the Apex account that I gave. 30,000's where I got out, everyone. I know it was a paper hand, but I didn't have no more left, and I had my order sitting there. Nice, Basil. Love to see it. Hope you win in life. Win in life all the time. Nice, Beck. Still crazy. After all this time, we can just click buttons and make money like we do. From India? What's your name? Alright, I'm not gonna attempt that name, but appreciate you for hanging out. Alright, wins 40,000. Is it too late for entry now? Yeah, there's no entry here. I mean, we'd be chasing. Shivam. I said that right, Shivam? Still looking for a trade. Hang out. What's up, Money Mind Easy? Caught a nice trade this morning, man. What is it? Who's rich, rich? Do I? No, I don't. Unless it's in my stuff I take. I don't take it separate, you know? I have 8 this morning. Was not feeling it after a gym. I threw down I grabbed a protein shake at my gym, one of the lean body shakes or whatever. I'm in the jug, carton, whatever you want to call that container. Smashed it on the way home, but yeah, I'm looking for another trade. I want to see what we do in this area. I think we're gonna climb here on lower volume. I want to see if we're gonna make a lower high or a higher low rather, and continue on. If not, I mean, if that's the case, we can look for that entry. If not, we can. I don't really want to short with all this, but if we had the reversal candle, I would consider it. Right here was our entry on loans. How much SpaceX can you buy with 20? I'm not sure. I can't even find it. SPCX, Bill? I don't know why I'm looking on Robinhood for it, but well, it's not showing. Welcome in, everyone. I'm still hanging out. Let me fix your screen, TikTok. Yeah, I don't see it where you can purchase it yet, so Honda, who is it? Is Robin Hood one of them? I move my stop to break even after the first trim in most cases. So basically, once we trim in profits, I move my stop to my entry. That way, when it pulls back, it's not taking my profits away. It just stopped me out on the remainder of my position. Any questions for me? We still have time. Plenty of time. See you, Max. See you in the morning. I'm glad you made some money, man. See what Jaden's saying. I didn't realize he was talking. He was muted.
Let it end in the place it started. What do y'all think?
You still in?
I still got my baby micros.
Man, I wish I just had more to hold.
I wish I had some had some minis running.
I was
It
trading.
looks
I was
good.
trading NQ.
Looks like you just want to slowly trend up. All-time highs just spooks me to put on a lot of risk going up into all-time highs. We need OKC winning tonight, and the Knights closing their series. Bearish.
U.S. Navy restarts guiding ships through the strait.
You got plans today?
Me?
Yes, sir.
Um, got some work to do, and hanging with my daughter. That's about it.
Nice.
What about you?
chilling. Oh, not a whole lot. Ooh.
Are you gonna buy the SpaceX IPO when it drops?
No, I'll wait for a pullback.
Thought about buying some. I never buy them. I thought about buying some of this one. Like, I mean, you never know. It could just sell straight off, but I see it pumping hard, and you know, then just selling off and just
Oh my gosh.
chopping.
Look at that. Just nuke or trade.
This
Nuke or
makes it hard not to sell some of your long term in this. So much strength. Probably should. So it's basically SpaceX and Starlink.
dun, 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 dun. So awesome. Just watching us. Got to make money going into all time highs at 30K. That's what's up. I'm gonna use the restroom quick. I'll be right back.
I don't really have any long term in my Robinhood anymore. I sold most of my positions I had there. Sold my public positions. Um, I've still got my other accounts though that are managed by other people. You know, let them do the boring work. It helps me not overwatch it as well, though. Yeah. What a move. Still could give us an entry.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we caught a trade. We caught a winning trade. It's just going straight up. Like it's just not doing anything but going straight up. Previous candle had a little more volume, had positive delta, Danny said. I don't think I have that much power, Sky Man. I don't even own any. I own very little Bitcoin, like a very small piece. History. If you want to learn options, just watch the YouTube video I did. I did a live years ago, but it's still valid. It's still on my YouTube. Complete options class for free. You're up 400 on two take profit accounts, Corey. Solid. That's what he said. I don't know. What's up? Where's everyone trading from this morning? Get the live alive again. What, Danny? I'm confused. Tennessee here, South Florida, Oklahoma, Paris, and Texas. Florida. Not us, Matt. Not us. From Las Vegas, Sweden, Mississippi, Indiana, Bay Area. Popping. Everything popping. Alabama. Are you on your boat right now trading? Nice, Nick. What's up, Dexter? I missed what you said. Could this be the higher low forming? Let's see. Pull back. I seen that one guy was getting cooked on one of his positions. We was talking. I can't think of his name. We was talking about him last week. One of his short positions. I don't know why people even listen to him anymore. He has literally lost a lot more trades than he's ever won. Seems like the the Big Short dude was Michael. Was his name? Michael Burry. Big Short was a good movie. I enjoyed it. Stone Growling. Yeah, solid man. Yeah, that's true. I'm telling you, anytime you see someone that's trying to short the market constantly in a strong uptrend, they're going through some accounts for sure. I'm not talking about day trading. I'm talking about swing trading, trying to catch the top. I'm not gonna mention names, but I knew a guy that used to be like that. He'd always try to short everything, and you just knew he was going through it. I'm like, why don't you just invest long term bullish? I mean, time has proven that that's the way. Quit trying to catch the tops. It's for supply and demand only, Jesse. That part is. You can adjust it to zone stop loss or to confirmation candle stop loss. Just a higher low. Clown, it must be addictive for some people. I don't know. You got a pivot point right here. You said you blew your first personal account in the early 90s? I bet it was difficult to day trade then, huh? In the early 90s. I was even in the 2009-ish, um, somewhere in that time frame. You had to have 5K to put into account just to open a brokerage account at that time. So it's definitely got a lot easier for people to day trade. I'm just watching to see if we form a higher low here. Phone calls. If we don't get the higher low that I want, that's the only thing I got left to watch. So just hope it doesn't make like a um, make buy the complete move up before the candle close. Yeah, V man, it got easier for people to lose money. Feel that. Just gonna watch price action here, Paul. That's all I can do. I can't really determine where it's gonna form. Last day for the take profit sale, everyone. $85 for the 50K eval. No activation fee, so you can get funded for $85. A $50,000 eval or account. Soon funded, but go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code Grizzly. The sale ends today for take profit, everyone. I got the email this morning. I'm not looking for an exact touch of a level, everyone. When we're looking for higher lows, we're watching price action, right? We're looking for trend entry here. We want to catch it to move up. But we can't just we caught a nice piece, right? We had a very nice trade, so we're nice and green today. Now we've been pushing up. We're waiting on um what is this? Like so we're looking for a nice. What's it not pulling up? We're looking for a pullback. So we want our entry to be. Once we pull back, we get a confirmation candle. We want to enter, put our stop below it, and catch the move up to high day. Five-minute is where I look. Is what the chart I watch most. And it goes to confirm. Go. Well, I'm looking for confirmation, right? Yeah. 'll glance at the 1 minute occasionally, but that's about it. Ryan, I'm not for sure on that. I guess that's just a personal choice. Just, I guess, test it. Back test it, see which way works best. Alexander, I don't even think I've seen the new Ferrari. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like look the supercars are great and stuff. I like the muscle cars. It's what I've always been into. My stomach just going crazy. It's ready to eat something after that workout. You heading out, Bill? Have a good day, man. You know what I would like to have? that I don't have. I'm considering maybe getting it. Like I need something else. But anyways, I always wanted a Dodge Viper. You know, something you just never drove one. Always wanted to. A Dodge Viper. Check it. Search it up, love. I looked at some before I bought my Cobra. Here you go, Nick. Is it? It's hard to control, V man. I've never drove one, so I don't know. My Cobra is hard to control. The power. It's definitely not something I would give a kid. You know, if I ever got rid of it, I would. The only way I would sell it, I would sell it to someone that had experience with cars. I wouldn't sell it to some young kid. Wouldn't end well. Would not end well. Kenny, I'm not looking to buy right this day. Not right now. I've been looking a little. Nice. Jaguars are nice. I've never drove one of them either, so I looked at Corvettes. Not that I didn't. They've never been my favorites. What I'm trying to say, but they're just too wide. I don't like a very wide car like that. And the Lambos, I hate the wide cars. I mean, I hate how they're wide. I like how they look, but I don't want them to drive. I've already got my truck, and it's wide on these back roads. BMW convertible, still nice, Tiffany. Is this the? This could be it. No way it bounces right in that. I was just drawing that. Nice, Nick. Send me pictures, man. I'd love to see that. I'm just looking for a higher low loot. That's it. We caught one trade. The month's almost over, everyone. Make sure you pay off your credit cards. You don't get charged no interest. That was me reminding myself as well. I need to pay off mine one last time. I have got a ton of points with the platinum. Need to use them for something. Jesus. I bet it is fast history. I bet it likes the fuel as well. You want a old yellow Jeep Wrangler? I miss my Jeep. Wish I'd never got rid of it. It's paid for, bought it new. I just had to get me a truck to pull my side by side. The Jeep just didn't quite like it. A little bit too much for it, you know. All right, Captain. I'll get the accounts sent over as soon as whenever we finish up this live. Well, I don't. I'm not getting the. You all can watch this area here for another bounce, but I was hoping we'd do it here somewhere. Give us an entry. But what I'm looking for is a higher low. It's very simple. You'll know it when you see it. Stop would be the bottom of the candle, you know, the possible confirmation candle. And I guess we'll just come back tomorrow. You all good with that? Come back in the morning, see if we can make a bag again. I gave away some Tradify. I'm going to try to get some Apex. Appreciate you all for showing up, and hopefully you made a bag. Really locked in. I'm trying to do my best. Catch you all tomorrow, okay?